Hi there, welcome to this little presentation regarding how to deposit money in Spaceport Malaysia account. Actually, there is a exchange rate and we have to convert our own currency to that Malaysian ringgit. We have to deposit the money in Malaysian ringgits. So we have to look into this before depositing the money into this account. So first of all, if you are going to buy suppose $500 package, the exchange value including this RM is 20 to 50 as of now. Please keep on checking this. Plus you have to deposit bank charges. If you are going to take $1,000 package, then you have to deposit 4,500 RM Malaysian ringgits plus bank charges, so that this Spaceport Malaysia account should get 4,500 RM. Now the same case with $2,000. If you want to deposit and if you want to take a package of $2,000, then you have to deposit 9,000 RMs plus bank charges and so on. So let us see one example in few currencies so that you can understand in a better way. Now you can see here $500 is equal to 2,250, but when you go and check in calculator, if I see here as per today's rate, $500 is equal to, it is only 2,177 Malaysian ringgit. $500 equals 2,177 ringgit. So now, but you want to give the company this much amount of ringgits, 2,250. So how many dollars you have to deposit? Now you can see here, just take this 2,250, 2,250. Now you can see here, it is coming up to $557.54 US dollars. So you have to deposit $557.54 plus bank commissions. That amounts to some $10 or $20 depending upon the package. Ask to the bank authorities how much they are going to charge for this particular transaction. So let me tell here once again, if you are going for $500 package, you can look here. If you are going to $500 package, if you are going with 500 only, $400, you are depositing only 2,117. This is not including the exchange charges. So to include the exchange charges, you have to deposit 2,250 RM. That means if you calculate here 2,250 RMs, it's going up to $557, but not $500. You have to understand this. So $557 plus bank commissions. Now you can see here this will come up to 2,250 RM plus like say 20 RM bank charges. Now let us include this. Here you can see 2,250 RM plus 20 RM bank charges if you are going to deposit. Now you can see here plus 20 means here it is coming up to, suppose with bank charges it is coming up to 70. Then you have to deposit around $560 or $570 for the 500 package. So this keep on changing. So see the exchange rates and calculate as per that. Now for other people who don't have dollars, who want to change the currency, who are doing in their local currency like dinar, Riyal or Indian rupees, then what they have to do, first of all they should calculate this. First of all they have to calculate this RM 2250 for $500 package plus bank commission, bring it in dollars first, you calculate like this. First you take 2250 RMs plus 20 RMs bank charges, say like that, or 30 RM bank charges. It depends on the package whatever you are buying. If you are buying $1000 package, that should be 4500 RMs plus it may be 40 RM for the bank transaction charges. So you have to add that amount. Now after doing that, 2250 RM plus 20 RM, now you have calculated 2270 RMs into dollars. Now after doing this, you go to your currency, like now after doing that, go to your currency, like if you are doing in dinar, go to dinar or real or whatever. If you are depositing in franc, let's say, now you can see this many francs you have to deposit for the $500 package. Now if you are doing in some other currency, like say British pound, you have to deposit this much amount for the $500 package. Now what we have done here, we have included the charges, exchange charges in this. After doing that, what we are doing, we are adding some amount, $20 or $30, and based upon that we are calculating in our own currency. Like if you want to take in Indian rupees, how much for the $500 package. So go to the Indian rupees, INR, and now let's see. Now you can see it's coming up to 38,011 rupees and 87 paisa for the $500 package. Now let us see one more example. Now if you are going to buy $1,000 package, now you can see here, if I am taking this $1,000 package here, now again we have to go to Malaysian ringgit first. Now before checking, go to first US dollars and Malaysian ringgits. In that you just first enter here $1,000. Now you can see it is coming up to 35.55, but you need to send with including the exchange charges as of today. Just calculate this exchange charges also, 4,500. So what you will do, you will not send $1,000, you have to send 4,500 RM plus bank charges. If suppose we are depositing the amount and the bank is charging $50, say, or 50 ringgits, you can, instead of looking into 4,500, you have to look 4,550 ringgits. This is including the bank charges. This bank charges you have to ask to your bank authorities how much they are going to charge. Exact amount that should reach to the Malaysia account, Spaceport account, is 4,500 ringgits for $1,000. So now how much you are going to deposit? Now you are going to deposit 1,127.48, or say $1,130 US dollars you are going to deposit for the $1,000 package. Now if you want to turn it into your currency, now you do like this. Go to any currency, like if you are now again we are coming to British pound, you can check here. Now you are going to deposit 767.62 British pound for this $1,000 package. If you are going to deposit in Indian rupees, now you can see here Indian rupees, you have to deposit 76,274 rupees for this $1,000 package. This is important. So what you have to check? You have to check the exchange rate and include it first. Then this is based upon as of now, so it is going okay as of now. So 4500 RM is including exchange rate and plus bank charges. You have to include that. So as I showed you, you can do it into your currency. So first convert it into your US dollars, and then from there convert it into your own currency. If you are living in other country like any Egyptian country or any other country, if you are German, using German mark, or suppose any country, Japanese yen or Kuwait dinar, suppose you are in Kuwait and if you are depositing the amount from Kuwait in dinar, then you have to deposit 339.2 Kuwaiti dinar for $1,000 package. Let me repeat again once, because this financial transactions, so be careful. Now if we are going to deposit for 2000 package, then this we have to take like this. Now you see for 2000 package, now again coming to Malaysian ringgit, first come to Malaysian ringgit. Now we are going to deposit how much? $2,000, but it's coming up to only 8,071. This is not included any exchange charges, so you have to take this figure 9,000 RMs. Now you include here 9,000. You are not going to deposit $2,000. You are going to deposit 9,000 Malaysian ringgits plus some amount of bank charges. Let's say here 100 Malaysian ringgits. Let's say 9,100. Now you are going to deposit, instead of $2,000, now you are going to deposit $2,254. This bank charges you have to ask with your bank authorities. That's important, because the company should get exact 9,000 RMs. That means they have to get $2,000 package. They have to get 9,000 RMs into their account. Then only your account will be upgraded. I am confident you got my point. And after doing this, now again now you can convert it to US dollars to your currency from here. Say in another currency, let's say Australia or Argentina peso or Australian dollar. Now you can see, you can go here and check. You have to deposit 3,018.93 Australian dollar for the $2,000 package. Now if you go again with Indian currency, you keep on checking like this, and it will help you, and it will help you to deposit in a better way. Now here you can see 152,401 rupees. This much amount you have to deposit for $2,000 package. I am confident you got my point, and implement this. And after calculation, this is the account of the company. Write all the details and your account number, this account number of the company, and IC number and all the details and the shift code. You mention it all, everything, and deposit the amount. And after depositing, send me or mail me the slip. I am going to activate your username and ID. All the details are present in the mail. Read the mail carefully 1 to 2 times. The first email, that which I am sending you, read all the details there, and you are able to do the transaction in an easy way. If you have further questions, feel free to message me. All the best. See you on top. Thank you.